okay, we're doing this, and you will have to apologize. Yeah, no, I owe everyone a legit apology. Someone contacted me yesterday after the 40K video came out and was like, dude, what's up with the video quality? I'm like, what are you talking about? I was running errands. When I came back to my apartment, I looked into it, and I was like, the first part of the video only has, it's 300p? Which is weird, because the second part of that video is 720, right? So, and that's way too much of a time commitment to, redo. So, as an act of penance, what I'm doing is, I'm going to release the first part, like the project files. I'm going to post them up on my website, which has to be prematurely... Yeah. No, I can't believe you're doing that. Yeah, I can't believe I have to fucking prematurely release the site now. But I'm going to do that. As for this, I might as well just up that act of penance and talk about... I'll show you. Because we have... Damn it. There we go. The hookshot ability works. Nice. Yeah. So, let's talk about that. So, what I did, because I'm going to actually clone this right now. And not just this, because there will be Cyberpunk stuff. Right. So, what I did was I got the actor location. So, I get actor location. This particular step you don't have to do, because I basically set the rotation to be the look at rotation. So, there's that. So, I just find look at rotation, and then I basically got self, and then get actor rotation, and then I plug this into here. Ooh, I am so sorry. No. No, I got the actor rotation. I said location. Get actor location. So then I plug that into there, and from there I just set actor rotation, and the target is going to be Duder1, random Duder1, because I made a copy of the Duder. Then I basically launch character. I launch it on the Z by 100 units. And I plug that in. And then what I did was I then launched the character again. But this time, let me just move this up, because Lord knows I got to. The extra bits. This time, I took the actor location of the player. I'll just Control W this. And then I subtracted from this guy's, from Duder1's actor location. Get actor location. I subtract it, then I multiplied it by a float, and this float is going to be 5. I had to do some experimentation on that one. And then I just launched the character again. So, launch character. Based on that, plug this in. I'm going to delete it after just showing it off. Plug this in. Plug it in. Plug it in. Let's play. So now, there we go. There we go. Cool? Yeah. So you might be wondering what's with all these comments. First and foremost, let's be careful on what I delete here. Step. And that. And this goes to you. So what's with all the comments? This is in preparation for me selling this project, because I basically want, so I was like, if I'm going to sell this, I might as well just do the fixes, and this was the extra bits that just wouldn't work, or rather this just bit was the extra bit that didn't work, so that's been fixed. Another thing that's been fixed, and I'm going to possess this dude, and everything's been labeled to the best of my abilities, so go to the level blueprint. As you can see, I have all the characters that that you could possess: the rail shooting character, the third-person character, and now the first-person character. So if I play, you'll see that I can rotate now. Oh yeah, because that random duder is one. That's random duder 1. So let's do that, and then I'll just kill him. There we go. So yeah, whatever. So let's. So how I fixed the Cyberpunk bit. Okay, so when we activate first and foremost, I made the mesh a child of both the first person character and the PP character, the PP filter, whatever the fuck it's called. So then what I would do is I activated it when I hit tab. I activated it. Then I just grabbed the camera itself, and then the mesh 1P itself, and I just say attach to component, and the parent is going to be that. And when tab is flip-flopped again, so I'm just going to copy these two. I reattach the gun to the first-person camera. So if I compile and play, as you can see, we're rotating now based on that, and it's a smooth and it's a good transition. No joltiness, none of that. Let's get rid of you. I'm just gonna plug this back in. Get rid of you. Plug this back in. So by the time you watch this video, the packages will be uploaded onto the company website, which has been prematurely released, unfortunately. Yeah, that's a terrible shame. Yeah, based on it's because of my act of penance. Fucking goddamn it. Sorry again about the shitty quality video. That I did not know of. I don't know what the hell. Maybe FreeCam was on crack or something. In any case, end it here, narrator. And there you have it, game developers. Tune in next time for Doug Teaches Ue4. Yes.